Thank you for taking out the time to watch the live stream. So I've been very, very busy. However, I have to give you the information because I believe it's beneficial and helpful. So where have I been? I've been very, very busy yet productive. As the title says, I'm in the most recent Exam Pro Claude Code Boot Camp. And I decided to take this because I wanted more formal training and understanding of what Claude Code was, besides just what everyone else was saying. I've used Exam Pro since 2020 to pass most of my cloud certifications. And since they were offering a Claude Code boot camp, I decided to jump on it. Now, what I will say is for me, I don't know a lot of like the Claude interface. However, I do have some background in coding. I would recommend that you go through the Claude Code Essentials from Exam Pro, which is also on their YouTube channel. After I'm done, I'll put the link in the description or the comment so that you can access it directly. I just want to make sure that I give you realistic expectations about it. Another thing that I'm doing, because I'm currently in week one, last week was the pre-week, is that they do have some things in Ruby. I will be honest, I do not have a background in Ruby, but I will be watching Ruby for Beginners. I do a lot of programming in PowerShell script, so I'll see from there what I will do to get up to speed to that. But just to have the Claude Code underneath my belt, that's great. I have created an account. I've done a project. I will say that from my using it, it is easier because you're not manually coding it from scratch. However, it is a tool, and I never just blindly approve all of the changes without reviewing the code first. That's not just Claude Code, that's anything. Now I want to transition to AI. Uh, I have passed the free Oracle Cloud Agentic AI Foundations Associate. I've talked about Oracle Cloud a lot on my live stream because it is offering free cloud training and certification. A lot of their foundations associates are free. Therefore, Oracle Cloud Foundations Associate, AI Foundations, Data Platform Foundations are all free. The the company recommends that you do AI foundations first before agentic AI foundations. I do recommend that because if you have no baseline or knowledge of artificial intelligence, then you really wouldn't understand agentic AI, which is a branch of artificial intelligence. But the good part about it is both certifications and the training are free and they're unproctored. That means that you can sit and pass these exams without scheduling a proctor to oversee your exam, which is good. So whenever you feel ready to sit for the exam, you can sit for it. You will have to take a screen lock to lock your screen for integrity purposes. However, sitting and training and passing those exams really help because Oracle Cloud is the fifth largest public cloud provider. And that means that a lot of companies use Oracle database and they're knowledgeable about the cloud certifications in the employment space, which is extremely important. I always recommend stuff that has traction because it's very important not just to obtain certifications, but also know if they're in demand in the workplace to give you a competitive advantage. On top of that, if you follow me on LinkedIn, and my LinkedIn is Carla R. Jenkins, I've been doing career trajectory. My most recent issue 173 came out last week, Wednesday, and continuing on to newsletters. I wrote on my Convert Kit, or Now Kit, about how to protect yourself from the Canadian uh, forest fires. So I have some tips about air quality, what it is, the particles, just information that you would need to better understand and protect yourself, as well as like masks, eye drops, certain things that are available. And it's all for free by signing up to my Convert Kit newsletter, because I really wanted to do something that helped people regarding the air quality, and I wanted to do that, so I created a free one, and it's also on the website. So now Kit gives you a free site, and I actually posted it to my free site. So go on Carl R. Jenkins, look up Kit, and you can find it there. So as I mentioned throughout this whole thing, this video, I've been very busy with Claude Code, artificial intelligence, newsletters. I'm also gearing up for more Microsoft AI beta exams coming, because all the beta exams have not concluded yet. And I'm gearing up for the next ones, because the one thing I like about betas is you either know it or you don't. And I'm really up for the challenge, especially since I have the background for artificial intelligence, not just in Microsoft, but also the math background of calculus 1, 2, and 3, as well as linear algebra. And I always want to apply myself to make sure that I'm up to date on everything in artificial intelligence, machine learning, as well as STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, mathematics. So, as always, thanks all live and replay viewers for taking out the time to watch this live stream. As well, if you do want to work with me, connect with me, linkedin.com/IM/Carla R. Jenkins. My YouTube is Carla Jenkins TV. My universal social media handle is Carla R. Jenkins. I'll keep in touch. Thank you for watching. I'll see everyone in the next live stream video. Have a wonderful day.